Welcome back to AllbyOly Design, where I share free alteration tutorial. Today I'm gonna show you how to sew a cups on the dress. For example, sometimes on a dress we do need an extra push-up, so we adding some caps, which is push-up caps, or it can be simple caps. It's same technique that we sewing. Just make sure when we pinning them exactly same distance, and also we have to make sure we are following the shape of the dress. Also, there are many ways you can sew the cups. I want to show my way how I do it, and then if that can help at least someone, that's perfect. Also, the center of the cup, make sure it's matching the center of the cup from the dress. Then I will take the needle and thread and we will start sewing from the corners. When I'm sewing the cups, I make sure I only catch the lining part and not all the way through. I will also make sure to sew the front center part because sometimes the cups can move and you can see part of the cup when you're wearing the dress. So I want to make sure it's sewed to the dress very well so it doesn't show when the bride is wearing the dress. Also, we will sew the other corner as well. Not every time you need these cups. You need to make sure if the dress fit first, and then if the customer want like extra shape or extra push-up, that's when we adding the cups. Sometimes the size cups are a little different what you wearing on the bra cups. Sometimes you need bra cups on a wedding gown for comfort or support, and also the shape, especially for strapless or low cut styles, because they eliminate the need to wear a separate bra and create a smooth silhouette. The bottom of the cup we do not sew to the lining, we only create like a small crocheted thread and then we are attaching to the lining. So we're almost done sewing the cup, and I hope this tutorial will help at least one person. Make sure to like this video. Thank you so much for watching and subscribe for more free alteration tutorial. I appreciate you so much and I wish you all the best.